May pa-chess tayo today from CJ Abueg from Castilleos, Zambales.
Okay, I must confess. He's my favorite. Ang isang tigakaste ay...
Ang isang tagagaste ay matapang, masunurin, at mapagmahal.
Ikaw ay pinaka-proud kailan?
Tuwing ako'y nasa stage, kasi I showcase my abilities, my performance to the highest level talaga.
It showed last night. Napakahusay mo. Congratulations. Kailan ka pinaka nasa authentic self mo?
Ako, kapag nasa gym ako, actually, yung pinaka-authentic self ko talaga. Kasi mas nakikilala ko yung sarili ko at nakapag-isip ko. Most of the time, I spend my time sa gym.
Kailan ka pinaka competitive?
Competitive ako all the time naman talaga. Competitiveness is one of my strengths.
Last question. What's the secret to having that, very charismatic, nakakagigil na?
Para sa akin, I always think positive things in life. I choose to be happy all the time. I spread positivity, kindness, and most of the time, pinaka-importante, love talaga. Mas kilala ko yung sarili ko na kapag ako yung nagbibigay, mas nagiging masaya ako.
Ang pogi talaga ni CJ. Thank you so much, CJ.